Guys, welcome to B-Lit Reviews. Today we're just kind of lounging. We're going to go over some things we picked up. I picked up quite a few shirts and quite a few sneakers, and I just haven't had time to get to it. But today on the channel, we're going to go over what I picked up this week, some of what I picked up this week. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and slap that like button, guys. If you like what you're seeing, it goes a long way. And please share this. We are growing, and I'm so happy to have the people behind my corner I got a lot of positive support, and I appreciate each and every one of you. But without further ado, let's get it. We're going to go over this shirt I got from my boy Brian's Motorsports. Shout out you guys over there. I got from my boy up at Brian's Motorsports. They are the best shop in America. No cap. This right here, guys, you can't stop us. That's on the back. On the front, it's Brian's Motorsports. Thank you. I appreciate you, bro. I'm going to get that tightened up there. You guys can lift it, put the steps on it, and get the rims and tires we talked about very soon. So let's put this to the side. Art of Kicks. Art of Kicks is another YouTuber. He does reactions. So, we got some stuff in here. Oh, cool. He wrote me a note. B-Lit, thank you so much for your support and for your order. Hope you enjoy your new shirt. Be safe out there. Have a great week. Art of Kicks Mafia. All right, so let's see what this is, all right? And I think he signed it too. Yeah, he signed it right here at the bottom. So pretty cool, man. He's grinding, man. If you ain't checked his channel out yet, it's Art of Kicks. I think he's at maybe 500,000 or more. I don't know. He's killing it, though. So let's see. All right. Put them under the jail. Oh, he's got a nice little logo on the side, too. Oh, that's dope. Art of Kicks. Thanks, bro. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. I love your channel over there, dude. Now, I know you're not going to understand what this means. You have to watch his. Go check his channel out. He does some really cool reactions. There's a meaning for this shirt. So go. I don't want to spoil it. Go check him out. Art of Kicks. He's on YouTube, Instagram, and all your other social platforms. And also check out Brian's Motorsport. They're on Instagram as well. Like I said, they're the best shop in America, hands down, in my opinion. I may be a little biased, but I ain't seen a shop that can mess with them. All right, so we're going to put this to the side, throw this away. All right, next we have another package. Wow, I got like 7 or 8 things. We have another package. We will need a knife for this one. This is from Undefeated. Grooves for the knife, by the way. I appreciate you, bro. This is a bad knife. This is the best knife I think I've ever had. It's got a $300 knife, I think. It is called Microtech. But yeah, this is the box the knife came in. It's like a $300 knife, man. There you go. So you can see 100% a made in America. It says Stonewash Standard. And it comes with a warranty and all that stuff. Yeah, man, I appreciate you, bro. I ordered a couple things, but I think this is the shirt from Undefeated. Oh, please don't show it. Please don't cut the shirt. All right. Let's put this up, man. This thing is sharp. All right. You guys ready? All right. We got a receipt. We'll put this to the side. So this was a total of $50 shipped. That's what it was, $40 and then like tax and shipping. So boom, you have the LA Lakers Undefeated World Champion shirt. Undefeated, extra large, Los Angeles Lakers, 17-time world champion. Right here. I'm not going to open this yet because I'm going to wait to throw this with some new sneakers I got on the way. So I don't want to get any lint on. Black picks up lint. This is a fire. It's on the, it may have sold out already, but I got this right when it dropped. Something else too. I got this sticker, Undefeated, side. 2 of these. Okay, one's a little darker than the other. This is from the Legends Only League right here. All right. Now I have opened this obviously, but I haven't unfolded it. So we have our receipt right here from them. I think the total cost on this was $64.35 after tax and shipping. So we have first a Mike Tyson ringside ticket right here. And we have also a Mike Tyson punching glove. It's going to be really cool. Go Mike Tyson, man. Hope he knocks him out. It's going to be really interesting. That fight is on November 28th, if I'm not mistaken. November 28th in Los Angeles. Mike Tyson and Roy Jones Jr. So, yeah, man, this is dope. I grew up watching Mike Tyson playing Mike Tyson Punch-Out. Really big fan. November 28th, pay-per-view, guys. I think it's on Thriller and pay-per-view for sure. Now it's time for the sneakers. First, we got, you see it, Jordan box. This is a Air Jordan 1 Mid SE, white Hyper Royal / black, size 11. I went up from 10.5 to 11, so it would feel a little better. All my Jordan 1s going forward are going to be 11s. But let's see what's in the box. Open it up. You got that standard 23 paper. And you have ba-boom right here. Yeah, I had to order this. My boy ordered this for me at the store. This sold out. So let's get into it. Full stamp right here. And your lot number up top. This is from Hibbett Sports. Like I said, my boy ordered this. I appreciate it. I'm going to put this to the side. I love the blue, man. I'm digging it. I'm going to wear this with some Titan stuff, maybe. You got those blue bottoms, the white mid with the black toe, white and blue heel with that like a gray suede upper there. These are a pretty nice mid. These are probably one of the best mids that came out this year. There's already been many reviews on it, so I'm not going to beat it across your head. It's a very nice shoe. You know, you get the leather's not as good as the highs, of course, because there's a price difference. And this is not leather, of course, but the rest is leather and that suede. So we're going to put this to the side. Let's see what else we got. We got a Jordan 3 Retro Varsity Royal Blue. You guys already know what it is, right? You already know. I did an early review on this in the store. So this is the first time getting them home. There's your box. Throw that to the side. Looks like there's no quality control stickers in this one. So, all right, let's put the box to the side and get in the shoe. Now, the thing I like about the 3s is I like the elephant print on the boxes. You got this beautiful 3. Now, the leather is plush on this, man. People always think the soft leather is always the best. Not necessarily true. Like, look at the Dior's. The Dior's is like premium leather, and they're not really soft, but they're really good leather. So, these are the Jordan 3s with the Air. I wish it was Nike Air, but I'll take what I can get. It's got that beautiful elephant print leather right there. Look at that. Look at that tumble. Not really tumble, but like, man, look at that leather. Look at that leather right there, guys. That is fire. You got your blue Jumpman right here. Like I said, we've already seen a million reviews on these. It's got 3 sets of laces. Comes with the black ones. I'm going to give you a slow 360 on these so you can get a look at them in case you haven't seen them on any other videos, which I'm sure you have, but if you haven't, here you go. Got that almost Nintendo looking game control bottom there. Let's see what else we got. This. I saved the best for last. Let's see what's in this. Once again, thanks for the knife. I appreciate it, Grooves. Shout out, my guy. Let's get into this. This thing's so sharp, I don't want to cut myself. All right. Wow. Put this thing up. Dun, 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 dun. I guess I opened the wrong side. I don't know. I guess they put it upside down in there. I don't know. But anyway, let's see what we got. A 350. We have a Yeezy Boost 350. Cinder, and Cinder. Did I say Cinder? Cinder. All right, let's open this bad boy up and see what we got in here. I'm excited for this, man, because I got the blacks. They're dead stock. The blacks are my favorite one, and the earths are my second favorite. on the 2.0. When you start going back to the belugas and the turtle doves, stuff like that, that's a whole different story. But as far as the 350 V2s, those are my favorite ones. And the zebras. Zebras would probably be number 2. I got those dead stock as well. So let's open these up. Look at that beauty right there, man. This is a fire shoe. I caught this on the restock. I caught this on the restock from Adidas. I appreciate it. Adidas is showing you, boy, mad love, man. Mad love. So I'm loving that peanut butter bottom right there. Going up to the black right there with the pull tag in the back. Now, like I said, you've seen a lot of reviews of these. I'm just excited to get these. These are getting worn. Now, the black statics and all those, I'm going to keep them dead stock and bust them out on a special occasion. It ain't been nothing really this year. It's been a bad year. But these are getting straight put on the foot right here. These are going right next to the Earths. I rock the crap out of my Earths, so I'm gonna rock these too. Wish they were reflective, but they're not. But I don't really care about that. I used to want all reflective, but now really doesn't matter. Really, it's not like people flash cameras at your shoes all the time. I love the way the sneaker looks. These are a very, very nice shoe. I had several options to pick. I could have picked all 4 if I wanted to. I believe that's how it went, but I only picked this one because I had all the rest of them. This is the one I passed on, and it came around, and I snatched it up. So, yeah, man, these are dope. These are really dope. I've seen a lot of pictures of them. I've seen them at a couple boutiques, but I've never owned a pair, and now I own a pair that is going straight to the toe. Like I said, all this is retail, and like I said, it's always retail over anything else before resale. I won't do resale unless I can guarantee I know where they come from, but that's another whole story. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed my little haul today. We got what? We got a pair of Yeezys, we got a pair of Jordan mids, ones, we got Jordan 3s, we got an Undefeated shirt, we got a Mike Tyson shirt, we got Brown's Motorsports shirt, we got an Art of Kick shirt. So we got 4 shirts, 3 shoes. So not a bad pickup today. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to get up off here. I'm going to spend some time with the family. I just wanted to show you what I picked up. These are my favorite pickup of the month right here. These. I can't wait to throw these on the toe, man. I like having the dark colored shoes so it doesn't show dirt. And this is perfect. And I don't got to undead stock the statics and the other black Yeezys I have. So with that being said, guys, enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. Stay lit, guys. Be safe out there. Do what's right. Let's get it.